Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ziad, MBBS, MD in Health Informatics. In this CPT Surgical Coding Guidelines tutorial series, we will be focusing on the CPT Musculoskeletal System with AAPC CPC type questions. CPT Musculoskeletal System Part 3 Excision, including muscle and bone biopsy. CPT Musculoskeletal System General, we are going to discuss excision. It includes codes 20,150 to 251. The excision subsection of the musculoskeletal system includes procedures performed to remove abnormal tissues, obtain tissue for diagnosis, that is biopsy, remove abnormal bone growth, and evaluate tumors or infections. Unlike therapeutic excision of tumors found in specific anatomical sections, these codes mainly describe biopsies and removal of specific musculoskeletal tissues. Before going to code, let's learn some medical terminologies. Excision means surgical removal. Biopsy means removal of tissue for microscopic examination. Needle biopsy mean tissue obtained using a needle. Trocar biopsy mean biopsy using a hollow surgical instrument. It is similar to the needle biopsy. And open biopsy mean surgical incision made to obtain tissue. Percutaneous mean through the skin. Superficial mean close to the skin on the top layer. Deep mean located beneath the fascia or within deeper tissues. Epiphyseal bar mean bony bridge across growth plate. And vertebral body mean main weight bearing portion of the vertebra. So the excision subsection includes the following code range: 20,150 for excision of epiphyseal bar, 200 to 206 for muscle biopsy, 220 to 251 for bone biopsy. So let's deep dive into the codes. Epiphyseal bar, code 20,150, describes about the excision of epiphyseal bar with or without autogenous soft tissue graft obtained through the same fascial incision. Muscle biopsy codes, there are 3: 20,200 for biopsy muscle superficial, 205 for biopsy muscle deep, 206 for biopsy muscle percutaneous needle. Bone biopsy, there are 6 codes: 20,220 for bone biopsy trocar or needle superficial, 225 for bone biopsy trocar or needle deep, 244 open bone biopsy superficial, 245 for open bone biopsy deep, 254 open biopsy vertebral body thoracic, 251 for open biopsy vertebral body lumbar or cervical. You have to know some differences. The differences between needle versus open biopsy. The needle biopsy is a percutaneous. For open biopsy, there's a surgical incision is made. Needle biopsy is less invasive and open biopsy is more invasive. The needle biopsy, the specimen is smaller, but in the open biopsy, the specimen is larger. Needle biopsy, as biopsy taken by the needle, the recovery is faster, but for open biopsy, recovery is longer. Let's go through some coding guidelines of this section. Guideline 1, choose the code according to the tissue biopsy technique and depth. You will understand when you do the questions. And guideline 2 is, do not confuse with needle biopsy with open biopsy because these have different CPT code. Guideline 3, superficial and deep procedures have different codes, so always verify the documentation. You have to be careful to select the deep or superficial code. And guideline 4, code selection depends upon the procedure performed, not the diagnosis. For example, the diagnosis may say bone tumor, but procedure may be needle biopsy. So you have to assign the code 20,220 or 225, not for the tumor excision code, because this is only the biopsy. Let's learn some parenthetical notes regarding this section. Parenthetical note 1, it says, if imaging guidance is performed, see code listed here. This means image guidance is not included with the muscle or bone needle biopsy codes. So report imaging guidance separately when documentation supports it. So you'll understand when you do the question. Parenthetical note 2 says, for fine needle aspiration biopsy, you have to code this. Which means do not report 20,206 when the physician performs a fine needle aspiration, that is FNA. Use the appropriate FNA code instead. This 20,206 says, you can see it says biopsy muscle percutaneous needle. Don't confuse this percutaneous needle with fine needle aspiration. That's what that parenthetical note says. So no need to confuse with the fine needle aspiration with 20,206. Parenthetical note 3, for evaluation of fine needle aspirate, you have to see these codes. That means the pathology evaluation codes are separate from this biopsy procedure itself. Parenthetical note 4, Do not report 20,225 with vertebral augmentation procedures when performed at the same vertebral level. That means avoid unbundling a bone biopsy from procedures that already include access to same vertebral level. And parenthetical note 5, for bone marrow biopsy and aspiration you had to use these codes. That means bone marrow procedures have their own CPT codes and are not reported with these bone biopsy codes. Let's do some CPC type questions, then you will understand these code scenarios. This is question number 9. This is the continuation of previous parts. A deep biopsy of a gluteus maximus muscle is performed through an open incision. Which code is correct? So there are 4 answers available. Take your CPT code book and find the answer. So here you have to highlight deep biopsy of the gluteus maximus muscle. Once you look at the answers, all answers are adjacent codes. So you can use the elimination method for the exam purpose. But for the real working scenario, you have to use the CPT alphabetic index to find the answer. Because in the real working world, you don't get these 4 choices. So I will explain the both methods for the exam and for the working purpose. So let's start with the elimination method. So once you go to the codes, 20,200 says biopsy muscle superficial, 205 says deep, 206 says biopsy muscle percutaneous needle. But in this case, it says deep biopsy of gluteus maximus muscle. So regardless of the muscle biopsy, the biopsy type is deep muscle biopsy. So the correct code will be 20,205. So the correct answer will be answer B. So if you want to find the answer using CPT alphabetic index, first go to the main index term biopsy, then go for the subterm muscle. It will lead you to the code series 20,200 to 206. Again come back to the tabular list and confirm the answer. Once you confirm, the correct answer will be answer B. Question number 10. Using CT guidance, a physician performs a percutaneous needle biopsy of the quadriceps muscle. What CPT code or codes describe this procedure? So there are 4 answers available. Take your CPT code book and find the answer. So here you have to highlight the procedure is using CT guidance and the procedure is percutaneous needle biopsy of the quadriceps muscles. So here you can use the elimination method first. Let's go to the code directly. So once you go to the code, 20,206 says biopsy muscle percutaneous needle. So that is the case here, but it is not mentioning about the CT guidance. You can see within bracket it says if imaging guidance is performed, you have to use the imaging guidance code. So definitely you have to use another code for the imaging guidance. So let's check the imaging guidance code. 77,012 says computed tomography, that is CT guidance for needle placement. Example, biopsy, aspiration, injection, localization device, radiological supervision and interpretation. So that is the case here. Here the CT's guidance is used. Once you look at the answer, 77,021 says magnetic resonance, that is MRI. But in this case, it is CT. So the correct code combination will be answer C, 20,206 and 77,012. So if you want to find the answer using CPT alphabetic index, you have to use 2 pathways. For the first one, the biopsy. So go for the main index term biopsy, then go for the subterm muscle. It will lead to the following code series. Again, compile the tabular list and confirm. Once you confirm, the correct code will be 20,206. Regarding for the CT guidance, again go for the main index term CT scan, then go for the subterm guidance, then go for the subterm needle placement. It will indicate 77,012. Again come back to the tabular list and confirm the answer. Once you confirm, the correct answer will be answer C. Question number 11. A trocar needle biopsy is performed on the sternum. Which CPT code is reported? So there are 4 answers available. Take your CPT code book and find the answer. So here I have to highlight this is a trocar needle biopsy on the sternum. So let's use the elimination method first. Once you go to the code, 20,220 says biopsy bone, trocar or needle, superficial, example ileum, sternus, spinous process, ribs. So in this case you can see trocar needle biopsy performed on the sternum. So that is the superficial one. So the correct code will be 20,220. 225 says deep and others are not possible. So the correct answer will be answer A. So if you want to find the answer using CPT alphabetic index, first go to the main index term needle biopsy. Here no need to worry about the trocar needle. There's no index term for the trocar needle. So just go for the needle biopsy, then go for the subterm bone. It will lead you to the following code series. Again come back to the tabular list and confirm the answer. Once you confirm, the correct answer will be answer A. Question number 12. A patient undergoes an open biopsy of femoral shaft through a surgical incision. Which CPT code is appropriate? So find the answer. So here you have to highlight this is an open biopsy of the femoral shaft through a surgical incision. So let's use the elimination method first. Once you go to the code, 20,220 says biopsy bone trocar superficial. This one is need. So both these code are for needle or trocar, that is the closed procedure. Let's check the other codes. 20,240 says biopsy bone open superficial. But in this case it's open procedure but it's deep. So 20,245 says deep. Example, humeral shaft, ischium, femoral shaft. So deep one is 20,245. So the correct code will be answer C. So if you want to find the answer using CPT alphabetic index, you can find the answer by two methods. One, you can search for the main index term biopsy, then go for the subterm bone. It will lead you to the following code series. Again, come back the tabular list and confirm. Or else you can go for the anatomic location, that is bone, then go for the subterm biopsy, then go for the subterm open. So it will lead you to the four specific codes. Again, come back to the tabular list and confirm the answer. Once you confirm, the correct answer will be answer C. So finally, let's go for some common coding mistakes. The first mistake is coding needle biopsy as open biopsy. So this is a common mistake. So you have to verify the operative technique carefully. And confusing superficial and deep biopsy. This is another practical scenario. You have to review the document in depth. And as I explained earlier, using 20,206, that is for the percutaneous needle biopsy, with the FNA, that is fine needle aspiration biopsy. Don't confuse with these two. And bone marrow biopsy, you can't use this bone biopsy. Bone marrow biopsy is separate. You have to use this 30,000 code series. So I will explain this in relevant section. And finally, ignoring imaging guidance rule. The correct coding method is you have to report the guidance only when separately allowed. So for the examination tips, read the operative report for how the biopsy was performed and look for the keywords needle, trocar, percutaneous, open, superficial and deep. So the diagnosis, that is tumor, infection, pain, does not determine the CPT code, and do not overlook parenthetical notes directing you to FNA, bone marrow biopsy or imaging guidance codes. That is very important. So finally, the summary. The excision subsection includes procedures for epiphyseal bar excision and muscle and bone biopsies. Accurate CPT coding depends on identifying the tissue biopsied, the depth, that is superficial versus deep, and the technique, needle, trocar or open. Parenthetical notes directs coders to separate codes for fine needle aspiration, bone marrow biopsy and imaging guidance, which are common CPC examination topics. And always rely on the operative documentation rather than the diagnosis when selecting the correct CPT code. Okay, finally a bonus question. A 68-year-old patient with a suspicious lytic lesion of the thoracic vertebral body undergoes an open biopsy through the posterior surgical approach. The surgeon exposes the thoracic vertebra, obtains multiple bone specimens for pathological examination, and closes the incision. What CPT code is reported? So there are 4 answers available. Take your CPT code book and find the answer. Once you find the answer, please leave the answer in the comment section. If you need the answer and the explanation, please check the pinned comment. If you have any questions, feel free to leave in the comment section. You can also contact me through the WhatsApp number and the email provided in the description. Please subscribe my channel and check out my other playlists to keep your studies on track. Thank you.